welcome everyone back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a flippin' wonderful day, and I hope everybody's ready for this real interesting game. It's not really a city builder. I want to call it a city builder, but it's similar. It's an empire builder. You're going to build your industry. So I don't know if it's gonna be definitely different than Big Ambitions, but I think it's the same premise. You're gonna build your industry, collect different things, and let's see how it goes. But I want to thank Toplets Productions for sending us the key so that we could take a look at this. Now, this game just released mid-November, and it's had a couple of updates already in the early access. It does have a beta branch on there also. So, I mean, I could get into finding out more special things. If we really do like this and enjoy it, then we can go in to the beta and see updates before they become updates. But it's nice when game developers release a game and then they also realize there's some things they still want to continue to add. But I appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate all the watchers, all the chatters, all the lurkers, all the non-naughty bots, and of course everybody watches the replay later on whatever flipping platform you so choose. Take a look at Industry Giant 4.0. It's on Steam. It is, let me double check it here real fast. It is $24.99, and the link is down in the description on where you can go and purchase the game if you do enjoy these type of games here. But here it is. Thank you for joining us for the start of this journey. As an early access player, you're among the first to explore, test, and help shape the world of Industry Giant 4.0. Your feedback is crucial. Don versus Dodo are the developers, and Toplets is the publisher. All right, let's try a single player. Ooh. Multiplayer on the roadmap? Whoa. Be interesting. Oh, let's turn the sound on. All right, definitely do the tutorial. Yes, you know Grandpa. Grandpa needs tutorials. I need a whole lot of help. Neighbors. All right, so in the tutorial, an introduction to the game with reduced industries and goods, learn to become an industry giant, take your first steps towards real riches. Neighbors, two cities close together. Which one will grow and which one will thrive? It's your choice. Or can you manage to make them grow together over time? The Mountain Valley. Huge mountains contain your expansion in this map, so it will be a challenge to connect the three cities with your industries. Twin Peaks. Nestled in the valleys between peaks lie two small cities. Use the abundant resources and generous space to build and grow your business. Metropolis. Develop industries on diverse terrain, featuring a picturesque peninsula to help cities expand and thrive. Nice. All right, so different difficulty levels. Map size. Cool. My company. Well, I don't even know what we're gonna push and promote and sell and make. Hey, Danny man, how's it going? Let's see. Let's call it flipping stuff. Yeah. Industry giant flipping stuff. All right, here we go. Tutorial. Let's go. Let's start it and figure it out. I hope this music's not I hope we don't get smacked on the music. All right, open the town window for Rudefling. Rudefling is the name of the town. Open the town window for Rudefling by clicking on the town name in the game world. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Welcome to tutorial for industry. Your current tasks are always displayed in the flag milestones. Okay. Window in the top left. On this map, there's a town called Rudfling. Initially, a small town like this has few demands. To get started, check the demands of the town of Rudfling. All right, got it. All right, open the town window for Rudfling. Wait a minute, over here. Click on the different menu items or on objects in the world to get more information. Your goal is to supply customers in the cities with goods and thus make the cities grow. To get started, click on a city and find out about its needs. You can then build the appropriate industries and shops, set up lines, and buy vehicles. Cool. All right, we are paused. It is June 1950. Itwell Meadows, expensive land. The upper side, sunny hills. All right. Let's click on this. Overview. Open the town window. Open the demand tab. All right. Construct an agricultural farm. All right. Let's read through this. As you can, there's like 3 menus here, and I'm trying to decide what do I read first. As you can see, the citizens of Rudfling demand unpackaged fruit and wood shavings. Let's start by getting the production of unpackaged fruit up and running. To begin with, you're going to build an agricultural farm. Got it. All right, construct an agricultural farm. Open the industry tab by clicking the construction button or pressing it. Krishna, how you doing? Metallica fan, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome, everybody. All right, it is 1950 and we have $100 million. Yes, I remember seeing my house from 1950, and it did have $100 million stuffed behind the walls before the house fire. Oh, all right. Where is the construction? Oh, here it is. It's highlighted for me. Nice and easy for an old dude. All right, construction in a valid zone. You'll want it in a valid zone. All right, agricultural farm. Industries extract and process raw materials into products for customers or export. Industries are divided into categories, including light and heavy industry, as well as natural resources. Depending on the categories, there are restrictions on which zone an industry can be set up. This is particularly relevant for farmland, forests, and mineral resources, as these are often only available in small quantities. All right. It costs $1.5 million. Maintenance cost is $15,000 per quarter. It's a farm, commercial type. Yeah, I wish for a tutorial. I like that it lets you do anywhere, but almost for a tutorial, put it here. Does not match the requirements. Does not match the requirements. But we got to go all the way the flip over here. Oh, I see. Do we build roads too? Oh, there's roads. All right. Can we rotate? Q and E to rotate. Okay, cool. Is this a road here? That's a road. A road is a road. Of course. Is that kind of a road-ish? Or did it disappear? Where did it go? I thought I saw a road here. I thought I saw like a little dirt road that went this way and then that way. But now I'm not seeing it. Oh, maybe it wasn't a road. You know what? Maybe we need it turned because maybe we need to add more stuff to just our farm. Let's put it right here. There we go. All right. Enter play mode. The game is currently paused. To unpause it, press the play button at the bottom of the right of the screen. Wait for construction to finish. Ah. That is cool. Pause it. Well done. Your first agricultural farm has been established. Next, you're going to set up your first production. The production of all industrial buildings in Industry Giant 4 is configured using production lines. You can set parameters like the time of year in which goods will be produced, the amount of produced goods, and the efficiency of the production. Now let's set up a production line for unpackaged fruit. We've got notifications here. Production line has no recipe, has not enough building modules built. Open the agricultural farm window by clicking the building. Open the production tab. Build 5 fields around the agricultural farm. See, I thought we were going to have to do something. Add a production line for unpackaged fruit. Okay, can we close this? Oh, there it is. All right. All right, unpackaged fruit. Place 5 fields. Holy ships. All right. Add a production line for unpackaged fruit. All right. Products and industries are manufactured on production lines using so-called recipes. The recipe determines which input products are required and in which quarters productions are possible. In addition, recipes have a minimum duration of 1 or more quarters. Capacity can also be used to determine how many products should be produced. Production lines can produce different products each quarter. Each provides the recipe. Interesting. All right. I just wanted to make sure. Let's see. In return, the maximum selectable utilization increases the longer recipes are scheduled in order to still be able to produce several different products or to increase capacity. All right. Cool. Galen Dougal walks in the door. The world is full of natural wonders to stun, awe, and humble. Take, for example, the humble like button and its majestic interaction with the buttons that subscribe and set notification to all. How you doing, Galen? Good to see you. Good to see you, man. All right. Unpackaged fruit, unpackaged vegetables, wheat, cotton. Let's select. All right. So this says availability. Minimum runtime, 1 quarter. Okay, so cotton takes 2 quarters, I guess. Okay. All right, add the production line for unpackaged fruit. Unpackaged fruit, efficiency. Cost per unit, 180. Total production price. Overview of production. Okay. All right, in the Agricultural Farms Production tab, click on the Add Production button. In the right window, select Unpackaged Fruit. Set the parameters so that 1,200 unpackaged fruit are produced each year. Per quarter. Okay. So does that mean per year, which is 4 quarters? So if we want per year, production per quarter, right? So you want 300 per quarter? Why did that not change? Ingredients, none. I'm confused at this point. Why is that not changing and giving me the check mark? No recipe selected. Unpackaged fruit. Oh no, not an industry run by the old fart. How you doing there, Phantom Reaper? Good to see you. Good to see you. Ghoulie, good to see you. Good to see you. Click the apply. Oh, there it is. Click the apply. Nailed it. All right, production is running. You successfully created your first production line. Once the next production batch cycle starts, you will see a green bar in the production line entry starting to fill up. Okay. When it's full, your first unpackaged fruit will be ready to be transported. In the meantime, you should build a grocery store to sell the fruit to the citizens of Rudelfing. The Rude Elves. We're gonna sell unpackaged fruit at the grocery store to Rude Elves. There it is. You can't produce without ingredients, and if the productions are running, you better chase after it. There it is. All right. You can find it under the Shops tab in the construction window. Got it. Maybe. All right. The grocery store can be found under the Shops in the construction. Place the grocery store inside the Rude Elfing town somewhere. So somewhere in town, we need to construct a grocery store. The shop. A small little grocery store. A small little grocery store shall be placed right here. Tear down some houses. Those rude little elves. Oh, flip. Connection not possible. Oh, look at that, man. Oh, so the road is big there. Ooh, that road is big. Connection is not possible. There. Connection. What? There it is. Ah. Slope is too steep. Dude, seriously, just let me build the ship. If we build it here, but it wouldn't have a road. I'd love to build it here. There we go. The grocery store has been constructed. Your grocery store is built and ready to sell goods. Now we need to set up a transport line to deliver the unpackaged fruit to the grocery store. Start by building the truck depot. It can be found under the Roads tab in the construction menu. Trucks will always return to this depot after completing their task. So choose the location carefully. All right, so you probably want your truck depot probably close to here because they're going to return here empty. Maybe. Yeah, Darren Sim, how you doing? Good to see you. That's right. Phantom always has zingers. All right, construct the truck depots. Dirt road, road, large road. A truck depot can be found under the Roads tab. Okay. I'm not seeing a truck depot. I see dirt road. I see a road. I see a large road. Maybe I have to build the... There it is. We had to build the grocery store first. There we go. Now we've got the truck depot. Okay, so the truck depot can be put anywhere in these. In any valid zone. Does it cost more to put it in a different area? No. All right, so there is a road out here. Construction zones are incurred when construction costs. Buildings cannot be built if the account balance becomes negative. In addition, the zone restrictions must be observed. Zones valid for construction are highlighted. If the construction is not possible, the reason is displayed in the information next to mouse cursor. All right, maybe we should put it next to our other. Well, this is farmland. This is industry. And what is this? Let me go ahead first. And let's build a road. Maybe it'll tell us to build a road after we build this. All right, so the road's going to obviously come from here, go down to here. I don't think it really matters. I think we could probably go right here with this, with the truck depot. I think right there is good. There it is. Truck depot has been constructed. What? We all know how chaotic this old man can be, but he's still awesome. Thank you, Phantom. Such amazing words. Keep on rolling down the highway. If you're trucking, that is, or in a convoy. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Man, I need more flipping coffee. That's what I need. All right. Open the lines menu by pressing L or pressing that. Lines button at the bottom of the screen. All right. Lines. 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 Isn't that what you do to put in salads? Oh, who's seen the movie Convoy? Yeah, that was a good one. There was an old movie. It's got to be back in the 70s, probably, maybe the early 80s. But and maybe this is Convoy, but there was a movie where it was like a thriller or a scary movie where this truck was like chasing after a car or something. And I only remember bits and pieces of it. I'll have to look that up and find that one. All right. Open the lines menu by pressing L or by clicking on the button here. Lines. Create a new road line. Add stops and select products. Connect all line stops via the road. All right. Yeah. I don't need that. All right, a new truck line. I'm confused here. This is a whole lot of stuff. Allowed vehicles types 3. Stops. Select the truck depot by clicking the Select Truck Depot button. Select Truck Depot. Truck Depot button. Click the ads. Select the truck depot. All right. Was the person in the car a traveling salesman? I don't remember. Oh, duel. Yeah, that might have been it. Not sure. I know you like thriller movies. I'm confused with the wording here. Click the add button because I'm not seeing an add button. Dude, please stop, okay? With all your it's a little bit much on the pop-ups. Select the vehicle. Oh, here it is. Now, add a stop button and click on the agricultural farm and the grocery store. There's that. Add a stop to the grocery store. Yeah. I think I did it wrong. Unloads. What? I'm thoroughly confused on this right now. Dude, please. Too many pop-up windows here. Too many pop-up windows. Can we go backwards, please? Create a new road line. I don't think we ever did that. Click the add stop button. Click on the agricultural farm and the grocery store in that order. Okay, there it is. There it is. Click the plus button to add a loading operation. Yeah, it was saying unloading. Load. Okay, and then unload the fruit. Got it. Now, okay, so I had to click both of them. All right, so now I think we can click the apply button. Connect all road lines via road. Make sure your buildings are connected via the road. All right, gotcha. So now we need to go Construction. Road. There it is. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Why will it not? Oh, okay. All right. So we can't cross over our building. That's the issue. We have to come down here. This is costing us too much money to do this. What? Ah, flip. Make sure your buildings, roads can be found on the tab. I gotcha, man. Oh, it is costing money. Holy shit. That's costing a crazy amount of money. Yay! All right, truck line has been set up. You created your first transport line. You can always go back and add more stops or more products to be transported by going to the lines menu. Or by collecting industry and shop. Of course, nothing is actually going to be transported without vehicles, which we'll need to buy by signing vehicle contracts. Do so, go to your little truck depot, open the depot tab, click the purchase vehicles button. Got it. All right, so let's let this thing build. I like the building. It's cool. All right, so now we're gonna click on the building. Can I get out of that? All right. Open the vehicle manager. Vehicle manager. Okay. Vehicles. Click the buy vehicles button. Sign a vehicle contract. Click on the truck depot and the depot tab and click on the purchase vehicle button to open the vehicle contract. No depot. Depot 1. Open the depot tab. Type. Wait a minute. Click on the truck depot. Click on the truck depot. It says click on the truck depot. Right? Then open the depot tab. And click on purchase vehicles. Okay, that way. It takes us to the same spot. To open the vehicle contract window, select your truck depot in the drop down. Select any truck type and set the amount to at least 6. Amount 6. Any truck type. Where's the types? Types. Oh, here we go. Vehicle type. We got this one, we got that one, we got that one. Let's do the small ones to start. It's $35,000 for this truck, $3,500 per quarter to maintain it. Let's get 6. Set the delivery time to your liking. Click the sign button. Delivery time in 30 days. In 30 days, we will get some trucks. Here we go. All right, wait for vehicle delivery. Okay, let's wait. Oh, wait a minute. Let's click the unpause button. There it is. July 4th. 5th. All right, we've already spent about $4 million, and we've done absolutely nothing so far. So yeah, the terrain is probably going to, maybe like city skylines and stuff like that. When you have to cut into the terrain, it might cost more money than putting it just straight flat. Well, there's cars driving. This car's going somewhere. He's going nowhere. It's the town that never that has an endpoint. They can't go any further. Wait for your vehicles to be delivered. What's the date? June 13th. Yeah, the year's 1950, so that's cool. So it's going to be some cool looking vehicles. I mean, let's go look at the vehicles here for 1950. What do we got here? Look at this. Look at this. This is cool. Man, we can really scroll down in here. Can I turn? Oh, I can turn. Oh, look at that. Look at this town. A lot of detail in this game for a city building economy management type game. Another little food thing here. Nice. Here we go. It's coming right at us. All right, and here is our grocery store. Can we name this thing? Oh. Does it say? Flipping fruits? Oh, man. Missed opportunity. They could have put a name up here. That would have been super cool. Well, everybody's full here. All right, welcome to, yeah, can we please, it says do not show again. All right, wait for the vehicles to be delivered. All right, so there are cars driving out here. Oh man, do we have to get employees to work from here? Go from the houses out here to go to work? All right, pause it. That's one small step. Your first production chain has been created. That's it. You now own your first small fleet of trucks that will start to transport products on your first transport lines. A transport line will automatically request trucks from the connected depot to transport the selected goods. All you have to do now is wait for the first unpackaged fruit to have grown, and your trucks will automatically start transporting them to the grocery store. Before you continue, go back to your agricultural farm and take a closer look at the production tab. Notice you can add multiple production lines to an industry building. Oh, look. There's our fruit. We have fruit trees. This is cool. This is cool. There's a lot of flipping detail in here. All right, open the grocery store window. Open the grocery store by clicking on the store building in the game world. We did that. All right. So it said to go in here, production. So you could add another line. So if we, hypothetically, if we built 5 more farms, maybe we build wheat and then have them produce wheat also on a different production line. All right, so open the grocery store window. Yeah, that's Phantom Reaper. Yeah, here in America, there was a huge boom. A huge economic boom in the 1950s. And that's why some people on there's 2 different views. Some people are like, yeah, take us back to the 1950s. And other people are like, no, we don't want to go back to the 1950s. But economically, there was a huge boom in America in the 1950s because we are like the industry giant of the world, and we created this industry monster to create military stuff during World War II. And then we, of course, switched that over to goods. And then when the servicemen came home, they all bought new homes and all that. So there was a big housing boom. There was a big appliance boom, new stoves, new refrigerators, and of course, all the new technology like a television and all that kind of stuff. I mean, we had a huge, huge boom in the 1950s. So this is actually a nice starting point for this game. Yeah. Open the store window or your grocery store by clicking on the store building in the game world. All right. Open the storage tab to see the products currently stored. There's nothing on the shelves. Wait for some fruit to be delivered. And then we can open the sales tab and sell the fruit. All right. Wait for the delivery of the fruit. So we got to wait for 100 units to be delivered. All right. So I guess when this stuff gets produced, here we go. Here's a truck. True, some things were better in the 50s, but things are better today. Yeah, it's amazing how fast countries rebuilt after World War II. Yeah, I played a renovation type builder game, and it was the theory and the thought process. It was really nice. I worked with the developers, and it was fun on the early stages of that game. It was called World War II Rebuilder, and we were basically rebuilding Europe after World War II. It was a really cool concept, and developers put their heart and soul into that game. It was awesome. All right, does the truck speed, maintenance, line, transported products. It has fruit being transported. This is cool that we can literally see everything going. I wonder if some games you can click on a thing and you can actually follow the truck. That would be a nice addition. Like here, and then a little icon up here to follow. Oh, wait a minute. Is this it? There it is. They do have that. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. So it's got a little movie icon so we can follow the truck moving and watch our stuff being delivered. The music is cool. It's nice and simple. Hopefully we don't get a claim on the music in the game. This is in-game music, by the way. But I feel like, I don't know, maybe they could have music set for the 1950s-ish. Oh, Yerak, how you doing? Congratulations for being a member for a month. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, and welcome to the live stream. Yeah, we haven't done, I was setting this up and we hadn't done a city builder in a while. And there was another city builder I was looking at called Citadelium or something like that. It was set in Roman times. Yeah. Yeah, we were having a discussion with the developers on that one. So that's still in process. We'll see. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, I want to stop. Can I stop following the truck now? Storage. No. Can I? I wish I could. Can I please stop? Stop following. Stop following. Unfollow. Thank God. Storage. Storage shelves. Why was the fruit not delivered? Why was the fruit not delivered? Oh, I wonder if I changed the name and it confused them. If I changed the name, did that confuse the truck? How did we set this up? How did we set this up before? Overview depot. Okay, so when I changed the name, it actually changed it here. Okay. Your favorite Sims are City Skylines? Yeah, I keep thinking, you know, I need to get back to City Skylines. I really didn't do Manor Lords justice this year. I really was looking forward to Manor Lords in April or whenever it came out. And then everything kind of happened in my personal life, which really set me back there in April. And it just, I never got back to it. Huh. Why are we not getting the fruit? Is it a bug? Did I create a bug by opening the sales tab? Here's another truck. Capacity 100. Oh, amount sent 100 out of 1,000. Okay. Let's follow this truck. Maybe this truck will drop off fruit, man. Earnings. Storage. We don't have anything stored. Things like discipline and shopping prices compared with today were much better, but other things are better now. Yeah. It depends on how you're looking at stuff. True. And that's going to be with any era. I mean, you know, we could say, well, things were simpler in 14,000 BC. Yeah, they were. You're trying to survive. I might have created a bug. Because it's not getting any fruit delivered. Capacity. Open the sales tab. Earnings. I'm sell some fruit. For the quarter. Oh, for the quarter. I don't get it. It's not deliver it. One thing, I wish the trucks were full. I wish the trucks were full, so you could see that they were delivering and dropping off the product. But I'm not seeing the fruit being stored here. It says go to the storage. I'm not seeing anything on the storage shelves. Storable products. Total capacity. I'm not seeing anything. I might have created a bug in this. I might have created a bug. Let's go faster. So what is this? Storage. Total capacity used. Let's go faster. Yeah, I think we created a bug. Oh, wait. We got 50 fruit now. Here we go. And we're selling it. Okay, gotcha. All right, for some reason, it just wasn't showing that it was delivered. There it is. All right, well, now we're selling the fruit. Okay. I don't know where this box truck came from, man. There was a box truck just drove in there. Okay. All right. I was worried that I created a bug, but it looks like it sorted itself, however. There we go. Wait as the citizens buy your stuff. So we got 38. Oh, it might have been a little bit the time of year, too. All right, let's slow it down. Storage. We have storage. Nice. We can store up to 800 units. We have 50 units. All right. We've almost got to 100 sold. And this has a storage of 1,500, and we have 200 units. All right. It's probably going to want us, on the next part of the tutorial, it's probably going to want us to create a second line for this, to show us another line. But yeah, that's the basics of the game. I'm enjoying this. Really enjoying this. Cool. I like the looks and feel of the game, man. It's really cool. It would be also cool if the city grew on its own, like maybe added roads, like the roads slowly expanded and more houses started getting added, and the city actually built toward the industry zone on its own. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. I'm just kind of thinking. Snack stop, grocery store. Yeah, I wish this like said your name. That would be cool. Like I put flipping fruits. I wish that was there. Or up here on the bag. Would be cool. All right. Production completed. Well done. The town of Rude Elves should now be well supplied with unpackaged produce. The town's demand goes beyond produce, however. Your next task will be to set up the production and transportation of wood shavings. This requires a logging camp and a sawmill and a train depot to provide the trains to transport the wood products, and finally a hardware store to sell the wood shavings. Trains work just like trucks, except they run on tracks. All right. So let's build this. Now we're going to build us a logging camp. All right. Construct the logging camp. Under the Industries tab. Construct industries, a logging camp. McFly. Oh, we got to go all the way the flip. What? What? We got to go all the way over here. We got to go over here into the forest. Into the forest we shall go. I wonder if the trains have to... Man. Oh, flip. I wonder if the trains have to... Man. What if the trains have to go in a circle? I guess we'll find that out, won't we? I don't, man. Like trying to make this as level as possible. Let's just go here. We'll see what happens. All right. Add a production line for wood. Oh, we gotta wait for it to get made. That is so cool, it being built. Nice. All right, add a production line. Place the required 3 forests around the logging camp. Okay, so we need 3. What? Oh, all right. All right, there's our 3 forests around the logging camp. Add production. Wood. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Add new production line. Collect wood. Got it. All right, construct a sawmill. Holy shit. That's right. We got flipping wood. We're going to the upper side here. We're going to make a sawmill. Let's see. If the train tracks go through here, maybe come around this way. Well, let's maybe go. We're probably going to need a train depot, right? I'm guessing. All right. Add a production line for wood shavings. All right, production, wood shavings, select. And apply. construct a hardware store. So now we will need a hardware store over here. I'm going to build a shop, a hardware store. There we go. All the wood for the woody needs. That's right. Flipping hardwares. Check out our hardware store. Toolbox tails. That's cool. Cool. All right. Construct a train depot. Can be found under the Rails tab in the construction. Place a train depot in the convenient location inside any village zone. All right. So probably in between these two, just like we did the other. Or maybe close to this. The train depots. I think maybe over here. Might be a little too tight. Well, this is our first try at it, so we'll see. I wonder if this actually feeds into that. That would be cool if that worked. So ideally, yeah, setting this behind this so the 3 tracks run directly into that would probably be best. All right, now we know. Now we know our follies. We'll set it here for now. Can we put it anywhere? We'll put it here. I don't know if that's going to be too tight. We'll put it right like this. There we go. All right. There you go. Open the vehicle manager window by pressing or clicking the vehicle manager button. Oh, it's still in progress. There we go. Open the vehicle manager window by pressing that or at the bottom of the screen. Vehicle managers. All right. This screen is covering over that one. Vehicle managers. Vehicles. Truck depot. Purchase. Depot. Train depot. Type. Trains. Cheap trains. Set up a transport line for the wood. Let's go ahead and do 6. Whoa. Oh, flip. Did I screw that up? Type. Wagons. Sign the contract. All right, January 19th, 1951. All right, now Did we not sign the contract for the train? Purchase. Oh, we've got this. Okay. We got to wait for them to be delivered. Maybe. January 19th. Let's see. Let's see. Sign a vehicle contract. It says sign a contract, but we did that. Maybe we just have to wait for them to be delivered. Hey, Drunken Dragon, how you doing? All right. The train should have been delivered now. We've got trains. It says set up a train transport to transport wood from the logging camp. Oh, there it is. New train line. Got it. Yeah, the stops are going to be there. There. And we need wood from the logging camp. And apply. Connect all the train line stops via rail. Oh, flip. Stop. Connect all the train line stops via rail. All right, so we got to go back to railroad. Oh, okay. So we could have 3 different lines here. And so let's go this one first. All right, so this one's gonna go. Oh, wait. This one's gonna go to here. There. And this one go to here. Like that. And then this one go to here. Maybe. Let's see if that works. Do they automatically switch tracks would be my question. Set up a transport line for the wood shavings. From the sawmill to the hardware store. So would that then be a road? Here we go. All right, so now we need connect all truck line stops via the road. All right, so now we need to go from our truck depot. So if this were down here slightly, that would be a little bit better. All right, so now we're going to go to the depot. We're going to station, add a new truck line. Stops from here to the hardware store. They're going to pick up wood shavings and drop them off at the flippin' hardware store and apply it. Production completed. Great work. The town of Rude Elves will soon have all its demands satisfied. As your town grows, however, you'll notice the additional demands appear. This can take a bit, so why not take a look at your existing production and transport lines and customize them a little. In the meantime, you will be notified when the town grows enough to create some new demands. All right, cool. Let's go faster. Why is this red? Oh, missing the wood products. Okay. Oh, so the train actually goes through here. Okay. So I didn't have to connect this to there. Okay. Yeah, good morning, Drunken Dragon. Good morning, Floristic. How's it going? Good to see you. Corruptor, you want a wine? I've got plenty of wine over there in the cellar. Speaking of wine, I'm going to grab some coffee. Bomata, how's it going? Good, Bomata. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful flipping day. All right, the lump florist. Wait for your town to grow. Wait for your town to grow enough to create new demands. Truck 2 was unable to load wood shavings from the sawmill. Why? Why? Unable to load product. Where are they? All right, does the hardware store have any storage? Metal processing, wood processing. Sales. For the quarter. Not really selling anything, are we? Oh, look. We went from $100 million to $66 million. We're actually making a little bit of money now. We're actually putting stuff. Storage. There's storage shelves here. Storage. All right. The town of Root Elves has grown. Its citizens now demand wheat products. To produce these goods, you will have to establish a paper mill and food processing plant. Use what you learned up till now to set up everything you need. I haven't learned anything. Add a second production line for wood. Create a new production line in the agricultural farm to produce wheat. All right, a new production line. Production. Add a production line. Buy it. Place the field. Probably let's do 5 fields, I guess. Add production, wheat. All right. There we go. Apply. Construct a paper mill. Open the industry tab, construction paper mill in a convenient location in any village zone. Construction industry paper mill. Oh, wow. All right. All right, there's that. Let's let that build. Add a production line for carton. Oh. Wait for this to build. All right. Production lines for cartons. Ingredients: wood, carton. Select. Drop it down to 400. Okay, that's close enough. All right. Construct a food processing plant. Construction, food processing. All right, but we got a food processing plant. So now let's go ahead. Can we... roads, lines. You hit 200 subs, Bamada. Congratulations. Solar, how you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right. Construct a food processing plant. Construct food processing. All right, that's going to have to go here. These are all roads. Flipping roads. All right, let's make it over here. There we go. All right, so now for our, what do we got going on here? We got our wheat going. All right. Oh, wait. Storage. We don't have any storage wheat. How did we set up the lines? Will be auto assigned. Oh, add a new truck line. Okay, there it is. There it is. We're going to go from the agricultural farm to the food processing plant. Okay. All right. So we got to make sure the food processing plant gets going. Build the food processing plant. All right, so let's go to station. Add a road from the farm to add stop there. Wheat. Add a product line for wheat products. Production of wheat products. Oh, we need cartons to make the wheat products. Awesome. Oh, now select a truck transport line to transport wheat from the farm to the food processing plant. We did that. Flip. Can I? It's not reading that. No depot selected. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Truck depot. Got it. All right. Connect all truck stop lines via a road. A road. And a road. There we go. Got that. So let's set up a transport line for cartons going from the paper mill to the food processing plant. All right, so now we need to go from the paper mill, right? Cartons, they're making cartons here. The cartons need to go to the food processing plant. All right, so let's set up a line, production, station, a new truck line going from the paper mill to there. We're going to take, what, cartons and drop them off. All right, truck depot. Apply. There it is. Now we need a road going from here to there. So we need a road. There we go. So we set up the road. Set up a train transport line from wood to the paper mill. All right, so now we need to set up a railroad. Is that it? Does that do it? No, it doesn't. Unfortunately, it doesn't just magically connects. Can I delete the road? Lines. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this is in the way. A new rail line. There it is. Oh, this rail line. Carton. Product. What? Oh, that's a road. Road, rail line, train depot. All right, so the stop is going to be, yeah, these kind of mesh over everybody. There we go. We're going to get wood, take it to the paper mill. I think that's how that works. Apply. There it is. Connect all the train stops via rail. Make sure all your buildings are connected via rails. Rails can be found under the rail tab. All right, got it. Reserve vehicle. No dispatch plan. Train depot 1 cannot be reached. All right, can I? All right, bulldoze. Here it is. Refund that. All right, let's bulldoze this. All right, now let's build a railroad from, yeah. There we go, like that. Make sure all your buildings are connected via rails. That should be it, right? Oh, this has to be connected to the depot, I guess, also. Yeah. Ooh, that's going to be tricky, isn't it? Flip. And so we got to go from here. We could have made a mistake, but that's all right. Mistakes are always meant to be made. Does that connect? Yes, that connects. I don't know why it wouldn't let me just connect into there earlier. All right. Set up a transport line for wheat products. Wheat products from the food processing plant to the grocery store. Got it. Wheat products. Station. All right, wheat and cartons. All right, add a new truck line. To the grocery. There it is. Apply. Wheat to the grocery store. That should be it, right? A transport line. Oh, I gotta select the flip station. Wheat. Truck depot. Allowed vehicle types. Not enough vehicles available in the depot. Ah, okay, so we need more vehicles in the depot. The depot. Purchase. The truck depot. Let's purchase 5 bigger trucks. All right. June 21st, they will arrive. Gen X, I'm sorry. How you doing? How you doing, Gen X? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, let's speed it up a bit. Yeah, we're running out of time here. But I think this is definitely... I've learned a lot on this game in this short little tutorial. I think that we realize now we've got to have an input and an output on the railroads, which, you know, kind of makes sense. But how things flow a little bit better. And, yeah, we'll definitely see how this goes. Set up all transports for the wheat product. From the food processing plant to the grocery store. Missing products, wheats and cartons. Oh. They can't grab it. Oh, we got to wait for the trucks to arrive. This road's clipped a little. Station, new truck line. For bread. Oh, train depot. There it is. Got it. Straight from university. Finished the tutorial. Oh, we finished the tutorial. There it is. Nice. And there's a lot of depth and detail in this game. I think it could be really, really fun. We're definitely going to have to come back to this. Hopefully we can get back in here this week while it's still fresh in our minds. I like what it's doing here with setting up the different plants and different things to do. Look at the wheat fields. That is cool. Really, really cool. I wonder how many lines can we have? Oh, we can keep making production lines, can't we? The town has grown to its targeted size. Does it actually show that it's grown? I don't know if it's actually increased any buildings. I don't think it has increased buildings. That would be nice if it could visually increase some buildings and maybe spill out into the other zones, maybe. Interesting. But yeah, this is Industry Giant 4.0. The link is down in the description. It is selling for $24.99. I don't know if it's going to go on a holiday sale or anything like that. But yeah, this is really, really cool. Yeah, I want to definitely do some more of this. Yeah, sometime very soon. But we've got to take off. We got some things we got to do today. But I appreciate y'all so much. And everybody, if you did enjoy this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up there. It definitely does help out. And appreciate you. And we'll catch you next time. Take care.